Hello! A friend sent me on WhatsApp a link to a remote location in the middle of nowhere. I'm passionate about metal detecting, and we plan to go to that area. The main problem is that he sent me a Google Maps link, and I prefer Waze. In this guide, I'll show you how to send a Google Maps location to Waze. I'll show you how to do it on desktop and on mobile as well. This is the place where I need to go using Waze. Let's try to see how we can share the link to this location. Unfortunately, the share is limited to WhatsApp, X, and Gmail. Let's close this. Go to your browser, open Google, and search for wazepapco.org. Click on the first result of your search. A new website is opening. A dedicated field is asking us to add a Google Maps link. Let's copy the link from Google Maps. Once copied, let's paste it in the dedicated field, then click on Open in Waze. That's it. Now we have a point on the Waze map with our destination. Let's jump on the Share button and click on it. You can copy the link to the map from here. Let's click on the Send to your phone button below. A QR code is opening. If you have the phone nearby, you can scan the code directly. For this tutorial, I sent the link to myself on WhatsApp. Now, let's tap on the link. As you can see, the Waze app is opening. If we click on Routes, the alternate routes to the destination are displayed. That's it. We successfully converted a Google Maps location to a Waze app destination. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you.